Hello, this is Lewis from uniqueideas.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about adding new products and new variable products to the supplier dashboard. So what you want to be doing is first you want to be logging into the website, so just click in the top left hand corner and you want to be typing in your login details. For this one I'm just going to be using a test account. And once you've logged into the dashboard, what you want to be doing is clicking onto product and add product. So here's the add product page. This is where you can add in all the information for adding a new product, whether it is a standard product or a variable product. So here you want to be adding the product name. So for this example, I'm going to be uploading some Apple Sport watch bands. So here you put the product name, and in the description, you add the description for the product. Now, some tips for adding a product description. When a customer comes to a website, they are more likely to buy a product off you if the product description is as well crafted as possible. So what you want to be doing is adding as much information into the product description box as you possibly can, and that will give the customer more ways and more chances of actually purchasing the product. In the short description, you want to be adding a little short description for the product. So in this case, I will type in Apple Watch multicolored wrist bands. Okay, and in this section, you want to be adding categories so people can search for the product depending on category. So in this one, I'm going to put fashion and gadgets and equipment because it's quite a cool product. So I would say that it's a gadget. In the tag section, you want to be adding any attributes and tags that are related to the watch. These are mainly for when people are trying to search for the specific product or searching for products, and hopefully yours will come up on the search list. So for this one, I'm going to be typing in white, blue, wristband, Apple Watch, silicon, multi-colored, and you can add as many in there as you want. So if you scroll down, this section here is the featured image section. So this is where the main image for the product wants to be put. Ideally, you want to be uploading an image that's around 1,000 pixels in width. Try and make the image as good as possible, possibly on a white background, because that seems to get the most attention. So I've already uploaded some products into this section for this particular watch. If you are wanting to add products, simply get the images and you just literally drag and drop the files into this area and it will upload. So for this one, I'm going to click this image as the main product image, and you would click on set product featured image. And in here you can add any gallery images if you so wish to do. So we can add this one to the gallery, and we can add this one to the gallery. So if you scroll down, for now I'm going to be doing a simple product. So let's just say that we are going to sell the blue product. And later on in the video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a variable product. So this is obviously if you're selling the watch with multi-colors. So here's the regular price. Let's say it's £35. If you've got a sale price in here, we can be adding 25. If you want to schedule the product for publishing, you can add the dates when it's online to when it's offline. Then you want to be going into the inventory section. In here you can manage stock. So if you want to manage stock on Unique Ideas, you can add a stock quantity in here. And over to the shipping section. So in the shipping section, we want to be adding shipping for each country that you are shipping to. And in order to do that, we are going to be using 2-digit country codes. So if you scroll up to the top of the page, I've got put a link here, which is a link to a website which lists all the country 2-digit product codes that you'll be needing for when you upload shipping costs to the website. Okay, so for this particular product, we're going to be shipping to the UK. So the UK shipping code is GB, and the shipping fee is £5. And another shipping rate, let's say we want to ship to Austria, the country code is AT, and let's say the shipping to Austria is £10. Anyone that's wanting any more complicated shipping rules than that, maybe if you buy a certain amount, it's a different shipping fee. If you just want to send the shipping details to lewis@uniqideas.co.uk, I can set that up for you and get the product published. So you can add any weights and dimensions. This just helps the customer get a better understanding of the product if you so wish. In the linked products section, if you've got any other products on here that you would like to upsell on the website, you can type in the product name into this section here, and the website will try and upsell that particular product for you. Again, with cross-selling, if you have any cross-selling products, you can type in the product name into this section here, and the website will try and cross-sell these products. And that's it. You would simply click add product, and what that would do is the product will be, if we go to the dashboard, if we go to products, we'll see that you can see the product is on here now, but it's pending approval. I will look over each product, see if everything's going okay, everything's fine, and then I will publish the product for you. So now I'm going to show you how to do a variable product. Let's say, for example, the customers are wanting to buy the product in black or white or different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this product. If you're setting up a variable product from scratch, you'll just simply click on add product and follow the instructions. So I'm going to edit this product. I'm going to change the product from simple to variable. And what you need to do in this section is you click on attributes, and you can select an attribute from this list here. So in this particular one, I'm going to be using color, there's material, size, and style. If you need any other attributes, feel free to send me an email and I'll get them added to the list for you. So if this were example, I'm going to click color and add. And what you want to be doing is clicking on visible on the product page, and you also want to be clicking here on used for variations. So in the values, I'm going to be adding the different colors. So for this one, it is going to be black and white. In order to separate the values, you want to be using the pipe character, which is a single straight line. So white, black. Oh, what you need to be doing is clicking on add new. Enter a attribute term, so black. Okay. And add another one, white. Okay, that's done. So now we need to be adding the different prices for the different values. So if you want to click on variations, make sure you have this used for variations box ticked. So what you want to be doing is you want to create variations from all attributes. So by clicking on this, you will be able to add different prices to the different attributes. So I'm going to click on that and click go and OK and OK again. And here you can see both the attributes are now on the back end. Now, what you want to be doing is clicking expand to expand these two attributes. And here you have the information for each attribute. So for example, this attribute is white. This value is white. So if you want to change the image, you would click on this section here, and you would add the white value image. So that goes in there, and you would set a price. So let's say this particular white wristband is £20. You can add the sale there if you'd like to. You can also manage the stock. And if you want to add a different variation description for this particular variation value, you can add it into this section. This is the black value, so we want to be adding the black image. If you don't add any images into it, it's fine. It'll just use the main featured image on the website. So let's say this regular price is 35 for the black wristband. And what you would do is click Save Changes. There we go. And you can click on Save Changes again. So in the product section, you can see now that the product is set up here. This is a variable product. And if you click on View, you can see that this product is on the website for you to see. It won't be fully published on the website until we have looked over it properly. But as you can see, because this is a variable product, the price ranges from 20 to 35 because we added the white product as 20 and the black one as 35. So if I click on black, you'll see that the image changes like we did in the admin panel. And if you click on white, the image changes again. And you can try this out. You can add it to cart. Just make sure everything's working properly. You can edit, you can duplicate, you can delete the product. And that's everything. If you need any more help or advice, please feel free to send me an email at lewis@uniq-ideas.co.uk, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.